welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome, and if you've been here, welcome back. Today I will be making some LA style tacos. They're super easy to make. I do live near LA, so I'm familiar with how they make the tacos, and today I will be making that. Stay tuned for the rest. So here I have my meat. This is taco meat. It's called the Esmillo. You can choose whatever you want. They just cut it up into small pieces for tacos. And then I have Lori seasoned salt. I have Sunny D. I have lemon, and then I have minced garlic. That's it for our taco meat. And then I have the small tortilla. For the toppings, I will use cucumber, cilantro, onions, and radish. And for our salsa, this is tomatillos. I do have 40 tomatillos mil, pero they're small, so it might seem like a lot, but it's not. And then I have New Mexico, 2 New Mexico chilies, and some chiles de árbol. I have about 6 right there. 2 garlic cloves, and tomato bouillon. And so first, we're gonna marinate our meat before we start anything else. So I'm gonna add about 1 cup of Sunny D. And then I'm gonna add about 1 tablespoon of seasoned salt. If you need any more along the way, you can always add it. Just for now, I'm only adding 1. And then this is 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. And then I'm gonna add the lemon. Okay, that's it. So now you just mix it and let it sit for a while until you're ready to make everything. Okay, so we're getting a head start on our salsa. I did put the tomatillos to roast. They're gonna be pretty quick, done pretty quick. So we're gonna leave that now for now, and then I'm gonna get started on my meat. It already been in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes. Now I'm just gonna add the meat. I did add a little bit of olive oil. It's optional. It's just so that it won't stick to the pan. Okay, so you're gonna fry the meat, cook the meat actually, and until however you like it. I'll show you how I like it. Okay, so here I have my chilies now and my garlic. As soon as this is done, we'll put it in the blender with the tomato. Okay, so this is how my meat is looking. It still needs a lot more time, but it doesn't take long. It's just because it does contain juice, liquid. It has to reduce, and then I'll be ready. So I did forget to mention, for another toppings for the tacos, we will be using grilled onions. And I'm gonna, in that same pan that I did the tomatillos, I'm gonna put a little bit of oil. And I'm gonna add my onions. Towards the end, when I feel that my onions are ready, I will be adding some soy sauce. And that's it. My onions are pretty good. So now I'm just gonna drizzle a little bit of soy sauce and some pepper. You don't need salt, because the soy sauce is pretty salty. Okay, and that's here. I have my chilies already roasted along with the tomatillos and the garlic. I am gonna add about a cup of water, and I want to say half a teaspoon of tomato bouillon. it tastes good. So that's it. How I like my meat. I already went ahead and turned it off. It's tender and it tastes delicious. So in this bowl, I add water and oil, and I'm just gonna dip my tortillas in here. Not all the way, just like around the edges, and then I just. Okay, so here I have my tacos ready. As you can see, the meat looks crispy, and then I'm just gonna add all the toppings, which is a little bit of onion, cilantro, and then I add, oh actually I add the salsa after. Then I put a little bit of onion, grilled onions on my tacos. Radishes. And that's it. So here I have my tacos ready, and I will taste it. Super delicious. Okay, so this is it for this recipe. I hope that you guys enjoy this recipe, and I hope that you guys really do try this recipe. Don't forget to subscribe, like my video, and turn on your post notifications to get notified every time I post a new video. Thank you.